Hi. So every year, approximately 5.5 million animals enters shelter homes across United States. And out of those animals, there are approximately 3.3 million are dogs and 3.2 million are cats. And unfortunately, out of those animals, 1.5 million animals get euthanized every year in United States. And that is very unfortunate, and that is where fostering dogs come into place. So here are top 5 reasons you should consider fostering a dog. Reason number 1, fostering saves lives. Many times rescues who have no central facility, they only rely on fostering to figure out how many dogs they can accommodate from county shelters, and that directly affects a dog who may be a long-term resident of maybe of the risk of getting euthanized. Reason number 2, you have an opportunity to change dog's future. Shelter and rescues, they look for fostering a dog who have previously been abused, neglected or under socialized, and this is a great chance for a dog to actually regain trust from human and by constant love and care which they can get by fostering. Reason number 3, fostering is free. Most of the times shelters, they pay for dogs food, medical expense and crate and things like that, so you won't have any expenses of fostering a dog. Reason number 4, you will make someone's family complete. So when a day comes and dogs get adopted, you will have the best feeling in the world when you know that you helped that dog to accomplish this mission, and you help that dog to actually gain that trust from human, and you will feel a sense of pride knowing that time that you had with dog help him accomplish this mission, and you will feel overjoyed that he found the perfect family, and with long-lasting satisfaction of you did something great. Reason number 5, test the waters. So fostering is a great opportunity to actually try out different breeds before you adopt a actually dog. You can check out different things like whether you want to get athletic dogs, like if you want to go for a mountain bike and things like that, so you might want to get a bigger dog like the pit bull. But if you are more like a indoor person who doesn't like too much walk and activity, then you might opt for Maltese or a smaller breeds. So this is a great opportunity to experience what it likes to have a dog, and you won't have any commitment, because if you think that you cannot manage the activity level of dogs, you can always give him back and have other family to take care of him. So these are the top 5 reasons that you should consider fostering. Thanks for watching.